Hello my friends, I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're taking a look at this projector. Just a couple quick facts. It's 1080p for pixel quality, fully sealed optical engine. It has a dual speaker on here. You got your quick start guide. It does come with the Android TV box and setup in here. So you got your power box. You have your remote control. So there's already Prime and Netflix, quick access, full manual. And what I love about this, it comes in a nice carrying case. So that is a big plus in my personal opinion. A lot of these don't come with carrying cases. So we can put a lot of accessories up in here. It does not come with a white screen or a tripod. That's probably the only downfall, is there's no white screen or tripod. But you guys can use a lot of different tripods on the bottom here with this. On the back here, you have your DC, USB, HDMI, and AUX. Let's pop this open here. You may need some nails for opening that. So if you pop this open, this is for a TV. Got your little box in here. Pretty awesome. Built inside. You just hide that right back up. I like that you get plenty of cable length with your power supply. Means you can connect it to an outlet pretty far away. Okay, now we're going to turn this on and it's going to auto adjust. What's really cool about this projector is the auto adjust feature. So as you guys can see here, we have it up and running, and we're going to go through our settings and all that fun stuff. So give me one moment, guys. So there's a couple things that you're going to want to go through. You're going to want to go through all the different settings and all of that. Once you have all that done, you guys can see how simple this is. Now we have it pretty close. So you can keep it pretty close or far away with it auto adjusting. From here on out, you will have to connect to Wi-Fi. I don't like that you can't simply, so you can skip from connecting. So I don't like that you can't skip the Wi-Fi part of the installation. So you have to enter your Wi-Fi. I've looked through any workarounds, like going past it, and we'll see if we can find something. Because, you know, a lot of people aren't going to want to hook it up to their Wi-Fi. A lot of people are just going to want to simply plug and play into their game system or into their DVD player. But, yeah, I mean, it works great. Everything's great with it.